Welcome back, people. Stu is back. Get at me. I have these 2021 Land Rover, Range Rover Velar R. Dynamic, yada yada yada. I'm gonna show you how to do the oil change. So come on, shout outs to everybody in the building. Love you. No Diddy. Pause. Let's get it. Now you see your goodies. Come through over here. Pull this. That's how you open the hoodie. Alright. I'm gonna come with here, pull it like that. Pop. That's how you open the hood. This baby has 81,000 miles. 2.0 liter engine. Engine oil cap. CRW20, that's the type of oil we're gonna use. Oil dipstick, this is how you check the oil level. Reservoir, coolant reservoir, air filter, auxiliary boost, windshield fluid reservoir. Pretty much. Let's go down there. Here's the filter. Just move this, like so. Here it is. This is what I'm gonna use. That's the size of the oil filter socket. Like that, counterclockwise. There you go. That's the brain, part number, OH 1138. Leave it there for now. Let's drain this. Pause. We're gonna use 13 millimeter. Hi. Look at this. Beautiful. I'm gonna have to remove all that. That's like literally like 15 bolts for that. 13 for that oil drain plug. Alright, once you done draining the oil, put it back, tighten it, snug it. Alright. Put the cover back. It's easy though, okay? Just follow all the 10 millimeter bolts. Alright. That's pretty much it. Let's go to the top and pause, no Diddy. And we're gonna pour the new oil, change the oil filter. Show you how to do all that. Let's get it. Alright, got it. Look like this. 3 here, here on the side, 2 on the other side, the same, 2 here. You have to go all the way to here. Alright. From here to over there. Okay. All that. Let's pour the new oil, okay? Let's get it. With this guy, just pull it out. Remove it, just pull it up. The oil ring, we're gonna replace it too. Know how to do that. It's so good, you know, it's easy. Alright. But there it is. New ring. Put some grease too, just to make it easy. And then put it back. Tight it with a socket. Tight it, snug it. Now you're gonna put your funnel there. Pour 7.4 quarts or 7 liters. Alright. You're done. Put the oil cap back and the cover back. That's pretty much it with this baby. Right, this is how the the oil filter looks like. Male, part number. Pretty much. Alright, I'm gonna show you how to reset this baby now. Let's get it. What you gotta do is keep the hood open, okay? The door open. Click on this once. Step on the brake and gas at the same time. You're gonna see the message there. It's gonna say something about service resetting. Keep holding it is done. Alright guys, I hope you liked the video. Hope you enjoyed. You know where to find me. It's me, Stu Burum. Shout outs to everybody. Love you. Post, no Diddy. Let's get it.